The internet has revolutionized how we live, work, and connect. It's also transformed the way businesses market to consumers. Digital marketing, with its targeted ads and personalized messages, seems like magic. But behind the curtain lies a complex system of data collection, algorithms, and psychological tactics designed to influence your decisions. This isn't always a bad thing. Effective marketing connects people with products and services they need and want. However, it's crucial to understand how digital marketing works, especially its less than transparent aspects, to make informed choices as consumers. We often browse websites or social media, oblivious to the data points being collected. Every click, every search, every interaction contributes to a digital profile that marketers use to understand our preferences, habits, and even vulnerabilities. This essay pulls back the curtain on the dark secrets of digital marketing. We'll explore how data is collected and used, the ethics of targeting and retargeting, and the subtle ways marketers influence our behavior. More importantly, we'll arm you with the knowledge to navigate the digital world as a conscious and empowered consumer. Every time you go online, you leave a trail of digital breadcrumbs. This data is collected in numerous ways, often without our explicit knowledge or consent. Cookies, small text files stored on your computer by websites, track your browsing history, preferences, and login information. Social media platforms record your likes, shares, comments, and even how long you pause on a particular post. Search engines log your search queries, revealing your interests, concerns, and intentions. Even seemingly innocuous actions like signing up for a newsletter or downloading an app contribute to your digital profile. This information is valuable to marketers who use it to build detailed consumer profiles. These profiles paint a comprehensive picture of who we are, what we like, and what we're likely to buy. While this data can personalize our online experiences, it also raises significant concerns about privacy and how this information might be used against our best interests. The collection and use of personal data in digital marketing raise important ethical concerns. While we often agree to lengthy terms and conditions without reading them, we rarely grasp the full implications of how our data is being used. Data breaches and leaks are a constant threat. If this information falls into the wrong hands, it can be used for identity theft, financial fraud, or other malicious purposes. The lack of transparency and control over our data is a growing concern. Furthermore, the use of personal data for targeted advertising, while seemingly harmless, can perpetuate discrimination and reinforce existing biases. For example, algorithms trained on historical data might unintentionally exclude certain demographics from seeing job advertisements or housing opportunities. The ethical implications of digital marketing practices demand careful consideration. As consumers become more aware of these issues, they are demanding greater transparency, control, and accountability from companies that collect and use their data. Digital marketing leverages sophisticated techniques to influence consumer behavior. Two such techniques are targeting and retargeting. Targeting involves delivering ads to specific groups of consumers based on their demographics, interests, and online behavior. For example, a sports apparel company might target ads for running shoes to users who frequently visit fitness websites or follow marathon runners on social media. This allows marketers to reach the most receptive audience, increasing the likelihood of a purchase. Retargeting takes this a step further. Have you ever noticed ads following you around the internet after visiting a particular website or viewing a product? That's retargeting in action. By tracking your browsing history, marketers can remind you of products you've shown interest in, enticing you to return and make a purchase. While these techniques can be effective, they also raise concerns about manipulation and the potential to exploit our vulnerabilities. The constant bombardment of personalized ads can create a sense of urgency or FOMO, fear of missing out, prompting us to make impulsive purchases we might later regret.